So I decided to gather all my Morphe things. Not all, hold on. Everybody had a Morphe, what's that called? Eyeshadow palette. But I wouldn't say recently. Someone said Morphe was going out of business, have gone out of business. But of course, you know, they still selling at Ulta. But I was just like going through my makeup and I was like, yo, let's start doing a series. Maybe we'll have this. I did do a full face of the Stick Myers, a full face of, what else? I'm not sure. But let's do this. Let's do this. So, yeah, I have enough things to do a full face. So we're going to do a full face for Morphe. I have the Morphe Filter Foundation and also I think the Filter Concealer. So yeah, and I also have this face palette. At first I was just gonna do some eyeshadow with this, but yeah, hold on. We can make something shake, right? The only thing I think I don't have, well, can't find right now, because I believe I do have, and this is the Morphe Oh Boy eyeshadow palette. So yeah, let's make something shake.
I'm hairy, I'm crusty, but it's gonna be what it is. I'm wearing a hat tonight because
So far so good. This might be my new everyday foundation. It literally looks like I have a filter on. What y'all think? God, this looks good. Let's see, I'm just looking at the viewfinder right there, but it's a little red, but you can't tell on camera, but it's really good. And I just used a little bit. Oh my God. I don't have a liquid contour powder. Contour shade, so yeah. And this palette right here, the face palette, I'm gonna try to use the brightening powder. They ain't never lying when they say brightening, huh? That definitely did brighten up a lot. And then I'm gonna take the bronzer color. Maybe the bronzer and the contour color. And mix it. Okay, of course we got to add some blush, and I'm just gonna mix probably these two blushes together. If you didn't know already, I don't really like pink, but I can try it. And I actually want to I never used to like to contour my nose because I'm like, my nose is perfect. But it does do something for the girls. Like, it gives a little snatch. Let me snatch but blend it. Yo, oh my god, what was wrong with me? Why I ain't been trying this palette? Okay, so let's get into some of the shadows. As far as eyeshadow, I'm a regular girl, like regular dagler. I probably should have put some concealer on my face. No, on my lids. I probably should have did that, but this look is just for the video. I am not going anywhere. So I don't know what brush is this, but we're gonna do a simple look. Like, maybe we'll take that brown. That's a good brown. Oh, and I got this palette from what is that called? Marshall's. This is called Oh Boy. So I'm not sure if you can still probably find it at, do Morphe have a website? That's a nice brown. I wouldn't say it's a cut crease, but I'm going to take this lighter color. Okay, so this look is like a lot matte. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe Illuminating Setting Spray. Hopefully that brings me back to life, but all in all, I really do like the makeup. Like, I really do like everything. So I'm gonna start incorporating, and my face doesn't feel like heavy or anything, so I'm definitely gonna start incorporating this in something. So that's great to start planning in my makeup because I can figure out what I like. I hope I don't find out that something they did something wrong. You know, like when you start liking something in the brand, you find out they ain't ish. But Low-key, I don't think I have a Morphe lipstick. So I'm going to take the lighter color concealer. The lighter color concealer, and then I will use that as lipstick. Trust the process. Well, I look like David Chappelle. Hold on, y'all. All right, we're almost finished. Now I'm putting on Boho, a Morphe Lippy. I should have got like a, I should have used them different brush because I'm about to have to wipe this every time because I already have a lipstick on. And I don't want this to change the color of this. I feel like I lost my blush, so I'm gonna add some more blush on, and then that completes the look. Or this blush too pale, you can't see it on me. Which way you think it is? Full Face of Morphe.